Hi guys, welcome back to Caramia's Corner. I'm back, and as promised, I'm going to show you how to make this fun exploding cake box. You might have seen it in my Instagram post and my project share in my Tuesday morning haul. So if you'd like to make one, keep watching. Here are some of the materials I'll be using today. First up, wanted to show you this square exploding box. As you can see, there's more space to play with, and the template's pretty straightforward and easy to measure. For this triangular cake form, it's a little bit more challenging and you have a little bit more limited space. But the good news is I found a wonderful template and pattern via Sarah Johnson's YouTube channel. It's called Pugdemonium. So I will put her link at the description box so you can download this template. The only difference is once we trace this on, you want to cut this out first. I'm using this sheet of paper. I love the yellow. I think it has that lemon chiffon look cake to it, so I want to use that. So I went ahead and traced it. The only things we won't be using are these tabs at the edges because we are not going to close them up. We want them to fall out and have that exploding effect. So it's a little gloomy here today. I hope you can see this. And then for the cover, she also has this template here. So this will be used for this side if you'd like that, and this is for the trim on the side of the box. So now we're going to cut this out, and I'm going to show you how to fold it, and we're going to put it all together. So now I've cut out our cake box template. Here we will need two of these, one for your exterior. This is the body of your box, and this will be the lining inside. And now I also have the cover. So the next step is to put these all together and start decorating. Here's a look at our exploding slice of cake box. So I have some butterflies, some flowers. We use a straw for our candle. And on the side, you'll see the strips of ribbon. You can definitely use washi to create the layers of the cake. And I used some gem dots to create some icing and add some bling. Now let's have a look inside and take off this cover. So when I pull it off, we have our little happy birthday message in there. You can definitely fill up this box with other goodies like chocolate. Instead of confetti, I use sequins, and then we have 3 panels with messages. One says, "May your day be filled with sunshine." Also, to add dimension, I use foam sticker dots to stick some of the cutouts. Again, I hope this gave you some inspiration. Thanks again for watching Cara Mia's Corner. See you next time.